द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ इज। मुझे इसकी ही ज़रूरत थी। दिस इज़ वॉट आई नीडेड। दिस इज़ वॉट आई नीडेड। मुझे आम खाने का मन कर रहा है। आई फील लाइक ईटिंग मैंगो। आई फील लाइक ईटिंग मैंगो। मुझे वहाँ ले चलो। प्लीज़ टेक मी देयर। प्लीज़ टेक मी देयर। डिनर का समय हो गया है। इट्स टाइम फॉर डिनर। इट्स टाइम फॉर डिनर। तुमने उससे झूठ बुलवाया। यू मेड हिम टेल अ लाई। यू मेड हिम टेल अ लाई। आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? ये कैसे काम करता है? हाउ डज इट वर्क? हाउ डज इट वर्क? मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आऊँगा। I'll come after a while. I'll come after a while. मैं उसे लेने जा रहा हूँ। I'm gonna pick him up. I'm gonna pick him up. ये किस समय हुआ? At what time did it happen? At what time did it happen? उसे ऐसा क्यों लगा? Why did she think so? Why did she think so? उसे इसे खरीदना चाहिए था। He should have bought it. He should have bought it. वो गहरी नींद में है। She is in a sound sleep. She is in a sound sleep. मैं उस पर दबाव नहीं डालना चाहता। I don't want to force him. I don't want to force him. आपके मुंह में क्या है? What is in your mouth? What is in your mouth? आप ऐसा क्यों चाहते हैं? Why do you want that? Why do you want that? मुझे पता है उसने क्या किया। I know what she did. I know what she did. देखो उसने क्या किया है। See what he has done. देखो वो इसे कैसे करती है। See how she does it. See how she does it. ये काम उसी ने किया है। She is the one who did it. She is the one who did it. मैंने उसे क्रोधित कर दिया। I made him angry. I made him angry. वो और आगे नहीं चल सकती। She can't walk any further. She can't walk any further. मैं उसे यह समझाऊंगा। I will explain it to him. I will explain it to him. क्या आप ऐसे ही करते हैं? Is that how you do? Is that how you do? वो मुझसे बात नहीं करता। He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't talk to me. यहाँ तक कि मैं उससे बात भी नहीं करता। Even I don't talk to him. Even I don't talk to him. वो चाय की जगह कॉफ़ी पसंद करती है। She prefers coffee to tea. She prefers coffee to tea. अब वो लोग कहाँ हैं? Where are they now? Where are they now? ये बात मुझसे किसी ने नहीं कही। Nobody said this to me. Nobody said this to me. आप कितना कमाते हैं? How much do you earn? How much do you earn? वो फ्लैट में अकेले रहता है। He lives alone in the flat. He lives alone in the flat. अब मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything now. I don't want anything now. क्या वह कल आएगी? Will she come tomorrow? Will she come tomorrow? वो लोग आपके साथ आएंगे। They will come with you. They will come with you. वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा। He'll get well soon. He'll get well soon. उसकी कोई मदद नहीं कर सकता. No one can help him. No one can help him. वह अभी भी नहीं जानता. He still doesn't know. He still doesn't know. क्या आप उसे पहचानते हैं? Do you recognize her? Do you recognize her? क्या मैं उसका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know his name? May I know his name? तुमने उससे क्या कहा? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या तुम्हारे पास उसका नंबर है? Do you have her number? Do you have her number? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? उसे आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. She needs your help. She needs your help. मैं उसके बारे में सोचूंगा. I'll think about him. I will think about him. उसे कॉल करना मत भूलना. Don't forget to call her. Don't forget to call her. चलो अब यहाँ से चलते हैं. Let's go from here now. Let's go from here now. वो रास्ते में है. She is on the way. She is on the way. लाए हो तो बताओ. Tell me if you have brought. Tell me if you have brought. हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? तुमने बैग कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep the bag? Where did you keep the bag? आपको पैसा कब चाहिए? When do you need money? When do you need money? तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? आज घर मत आना. Don't come home today. Don't come home today. वो कुछ नहीं कर सका. He couldn't do anything. He couldn't do anything. आप यहाँ कब आ रहे हैं? When are you coming here? When are you coming here? मुझे सोचने के लिए कुछ समय चाहिए. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. उससे कभी बात मत करना. Don't ever talk to her. Don't ever talk to her. उसे कुछ मत बताओ. Don't tell her anything. Don't tell her anything. हमें इसे पूरा करना होगा. We have to get it done. We have to get it done. उसने वास्तव में क्या कहा? What did he actually say? What did he actually say? एक बार फिर उससे बात करो. Talk to her once again. Talk to her once again. वो एक बुरा सपना था. That was a nightmare. That was a nightmare. उसे गुमराह मत करो. Don't mislead her. Don't mislead her. उसके बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं. She has so many friends. She has so many friends. फिर यहाँ से चले जाओ. Then go away from here. Then go away from here. यह किसे पसंद नहीं? Who doesn't like this? Who doesn't like this? वहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is going on there? What is going on there? उसे संगीत का शौक है. She is fond of music. She is fond of music. वो आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा है. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. हम वहाँ से जाएंगे. We'll go from there. We will go from there. कल तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? उसे शांति से जाने दो. Let him live peacefully. Let him live peacefully. इस कमरे के अंदर क्या है? What is inside this room? What is inside this room? मेज पर एक बैग है. There is a bag on the table. There is a bag on the table. वो मेरे साथ आ सकती है. She can come with me. She can come with me. वो पता लगा लेगी. She will find out. She will find out. अभी मुझसे मिलने आओ. Come to meet me now. Come to meet me now. कितने लोग हैं वहाँ? How many people are there? How many people are there? उसने अच्छा काम किया. She did a good job. She did a good job. उन्हें दोष मत दो. Don't blame them. Don't blame them. यह गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. वो क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? कोई मेरी मदद नहीं करता. Nobody helps me. Nobody helps me. ये कौन करेगा? Who will do this? Who will do this? मैं सच जानना चाहता हूँ. I want to know the truth. I want to know the truth. कृपया ढक्कन खोलें. Please open the lid. Please open the lid. Thank you for watching it to the end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.